injustice anywhere is a threat to justice everywhere.
What I'm about to say today might be a little controversial, but as an adult, if you're interested in how the world works, keep on watching. I'm going to talk about a critical thing that affects us all in today's society, which is the rules that we need to follow. There are actually two sets of rules. The first set of rules helps foster a functional society. The second set of rules set to limit and control us under the guise of authority. Let's explore this together. The first set of rules are designed to ensure functionality and security in a society. It helps to maintain order. Rules like you shall not kill, shall not steal, or do not harm others. These rules are necessary for a civil society. However, there exists another set of rules, or so-called rules. These rules are often unspoken, unwritten, and imposed on us by those in power or those in charge. These rules can be very arbitrary and vague because they serve to consolidate control, dumbify the public. I had several experiences with different digital platforms and administrative offices that proved that these rules exist, and it showed how these rules can be misused to silence dissent and to curb regulation. For instance, on a specific platform, my English content had been unjustly penalized. And when I went to the customer service asking for why I was punished based on rules that are not written down even on their rulebook, they shunned my questions and they cut off my communication many times. A few days later, I decided to publicize this, so I made a video talking about this issue. Within 24 hours, this video was trending and it had so much interaction. That specific social media platform gave me back the points that they have unjustly deducted without notifying me in any way. In another occasion, in a very official office, I was treated unfairly as well. I decided to also make a post about this on social media. And interestingly, again, this post has gained so much momentum and so many interactions from tens of thousands of people. The related officials and people in charge actually called me twice to sincerely apologize, and they promised to look into this matter and get into their employees to see what really happened. It very much looks like there's a lot of people that actually went through the same thing. So the ratio of satisfied customers and unsatisfied customers, the difference is quite big. So I do hope that you can look into this matter. What's really going on there? What's causing all these problems? And why are the staff over there are acting in such a manner? And second of all, could you repeat your name again just in case?
My name is...
Right. Okay, so you're fact-checking. I understand that. By challenging these unjust rules and bringing them to light through social media or other platforms or other methods, I prompted corrective actions. This demonstrates that when these shadow rules were used to control people, compliance is not a virtue anymore, but a perpetuation to injustice. Most people, me included, used to think that when something like this happens to us, we should just stay silent. We should just follow the rules. But when the rules belong to the second part that lies in the gray area, that only helps the people in charge or helps to dumbify and suppress people with a different voice, then I do not think that staying silent is something that we should do. Of course, we need to keep in mind that we know exactly where to stop. We want to bring the issues to light. We do not want to disturb social peace. As an educator, I've always believed in critical thinking. I also support smart and productive counter methods. I would never encourage anyone to be a sheep. I've always also believed in following the rules when they are just. In conclusion, as we strive to be a responsible member of society, it is our duty to comply with laws. It is our responsibility as well to question and challenge those rules that unjustly empower the few at the expense of the many. Progress in a society often happens when we question the status quo. Thank you for joining me today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and follow me. I'll see you guys next time in 沙印 Blinglish 小影课堂. Bye.